see the IP address 10.0.0.106, and that is assigned by the MikroTik. I'll just ping some addresses rather than going to Internet Explorer because this Windows is working so slow. I will install another one for the next lab, but let me finish this video. Let's just test some stuff. Okay, I'm going to ping google.com. Alright, I'm able to ping because all of the configuration is fine what I configured on MikroTik. Let me show you the configuration. Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be going to configure a lab in between a computer with Windows XP and then a MikroTik router, and we will test few things. Okay, let's get started. Here is our VMware workstation, and I already have that MikroTik router here. And if you want to learn how you can install MikroTik on your VMware workstation without any issues, you can click on the link. You'll see a link card above. Okay, so I'm going to create a new virtual machine for Windows XP. So I'll choose custom, advanced, and next. For the operating system I will choose this. Yes. Okay, it's asking for the product keys and I have some here. Okay, I'm going to paste it and correct my name, my full name, and let's set the password 1234. Okay, log on automatically requires a password. Okay, just leave that password box, sorry. Windows XP Professional, yes. Alright. Do not use a network connection. Yeah, that's fine. 40 GB. Okay, so we are now going to install Windows XP Professional on VMware. Okay, I will pause the video while I'm installing it. Alright, here we go. Our Windows XP Professional is installed on the VM. Alright, let me power on this virtual machine, the MikroTik one as well, and let me configure this this machine's network. Okay, where is the network adapter? Whoops, doesn't have one. Oh yeah, I selected not to use any. Alright, so I'm going to use VMnet 2 for this machine. Okay, so let's load MikroTik. Alright, and we have address on Ether2, and that is the LAN interface, and also we configured DHCP server, and if you want to see that video you can click on the link above. You can see how you can configure DHCP server on MikroTik. Okay, so I'm going to check which network is configured on the LAN one. So adapter 2 is the one with LAN, and adapter 1, that is our WAN network on MikroTik, that is VMnet 8. So I'm going to select this one on VMnet 2, and let's just double check. Windows XP is also using VMnet 2. Yes. Okay, I'll go ahead and reboot MikroTik. System reboot. Yep. Okay, whenever there is a hardware change, you require a reboot on any device. It's not just a system but yeah, nowadays we have some devices which detects the hardware change. Alright, let's check the Windows system. Why I installed Windows XP? So way too old. But yeah, I just wanted to use less resources of my computer. Okay, network and internet connections. Network connections. Okay, here it is. There you go. Okay, so you can see the IP address 10.0.0.106, and that is assigned by the MikroTik, so that means it worked. And let's check run. I'll just ping some addresses rather than going to Internet Explorer, because this Windows is working so slow. I will install another one for the next lab, but let me finish this video. Let's just test some stuff. Okay, I'm going to ping google.com. Alright, I'm able to ping because all of the configuration is fine what I configured on MikroTik. Let me show you the configuration one more time. Okay, so first of all, Ether2 is the LAN, and we also set VMnet 2 on the VMware workstation, and we assigned the IP address 10.0.0.1 and the /8 network. Okay, and then the next step is to set up the DHCP server. Just need to click on DHCP setup and go ahead with the wizard. It will automatically create a DHCP server for you. Alright, and then the last step is to check the firewall, and under net just masquerade all of this network and set the action masquerade to allow the connected user or the connected user from MikroTik to get to reach to the internet. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press that red button to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Peace out.